Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the live studio for Gree Home Appliances. I'm Peter from Gree Electric Appliances Corporation of Zhuhai. Today, I'm going to introduce you our air coolers to you. Air cooler is kind of multifunctional household appliances that integrate air purification, temperature control, humidity control, and intelligent interconnection. Its core components are the motors, one wheel, cooling pad, and a water tank. We adopted the extremely simple and compact designs for our air cooler lineups with a lot of family design language. Currently, we have different models including 6-liter, 10-liter, 15-liter, 20-liter, 40-liter, and 6-liter. In the near future, more models will be released. First, I'd like to introduce you the working principle of the product. First of all, the dry hot air with dust and fluff will pass through the first filter, that is the primary filter. Big particles of dust and fluff will be blocked. Then the air will pass through the honeycomb cooling pad, sucking in the water, which is specially designed by our engineers. Its corrugated wave are 5 mm high with an interview angle of 90 degrees. Its thickness is 40 mm and its heat exchange efficiency is 80% and above. We make a balance between the air flow volume and evaporation capacity for the better performance. During the evaporation, the liquid water on the surface of the cooling pad will absorb heat from the environment. So the dry and hot air will become humid, clean, and cool. The centrifugal blowers, driven by the fully enclosed ball bearing motors, will compress the cool air to blow out. The winding material of the motor is 100% copper and is wrapped with insulated paper. Therefore, the motor is efficient in temperature rise control with better safety. As to the centrifugal fan blade, the aircraft wing design is adopted, achieving 8% higher efficiency than the normal one. The purified, humid, and compressed air will blow into the target area together with the negative ions generated in the unit. That's how our products realize in 3-in-1 process of purification, humidification, and cool air supply. The first air cooler I'm going to introduce is the latest one in our family of air cooler. It's available in 2 colors, black and white. It has a matte surface, so no fingerprint is left during the operations. In terms of cooling, the products are 2 highly efficient and powerful centrifugal blowers and completely copper-closed ball bearing motors. Its airflow volume can reach more than 1,000 cubic meters per hour, and the air velocity can be up to 12 meters per second, and it can cover more than 120 square meters. It can be applied in various places such as supermarket, cafe, a lounge, a lobby, a bar, a garden, a living room, or even study room. As regarded to the humidification, we use a high-end DC water pump and strong blowers. With the 40 mm thickness and high-intensity evaporating cooling pad, the evaporation capacity is up to 3 liters per hour, achieving a better cooling effect. Filled water tank, the air cooler can run for 13 hours in a high speed, continuously with no stop. As to purification, the first gate is a pre-filter, which can remove dust and big particles. The second gate is the corrugated cooling pad. The purification is realized when the heat exchange occurs. The small particles can be absorbed and taken away by the water flow. To avoid the accumulation of dirt, the cooling pad and the filters can be easily detached to be cleaned and reused. There is no consumable materials, which is healthy, eco-friendly, and cost-saving. Next, let me show you the details of this product. Although it's a such big guy, it's very considerate. Let me give you a very small example. It's equipped with very small devices to detect whether the cooling pad is installed or not. If the cooling pad is not installed, the devices will lead the water directly to the water tank to prevent the water blowing inside the motors. This is unique in the industry, which is only in Gree unit. In addition, there are 4 water refilling measures. You can add ice, water on the top. Also, you can add water from the side. And also, you can connect the government tap water to the unit directly to realize all 2 filling functions. Also, you can remove the main body and add water ice directly into the water tank. It's a whole unit. It is also very convenient to store the products. Similar with adding waters, you can remove the water tank from main body and put it upside down to the whole main body, which can save a lot of space for storage and transit. Besides that, you can find many other relatively user-friendly designs of these products, such as the remote control, all the complete touch buttons, controls for you to easily remove, side handles for you easily removement, and also the wiring devices, remote control holders. All this make a powerful and useful air cooler, allow you to enjoy a cool and clean wind in hot summers. Okay, 1 minute. As you can see, it's very for you to install the unit, very convenient to use. Okay, next one we're going to try to introduce this unit to you, 20-liter air cooler. Please do not underestimate its small body because its water tank can reach 20 liters. This model adopts a centrifugal blower and a completely enclosed ball bearing motors that feature long lifetime, large air volume, and small size. Meanwhile, its body is made of high-class weatherproof ABS materials. The mold used in these models is completely designed by our own molding factory. The design standards are higher than the industrial standard. The seam of the appearance assembly is less than 0.3 millimeters. With the all-black or all-white look, it's exquisite and elegant. Thanks to the centrifugal blowers and the use of high-quality materials, its air volume is up to 750 cubic meters per hour, and its evaporation capacity is 2 liters per hour. Moreover, it designs with island functions, horizontal swing, 6-meter remote control, complete touch buttons, side water fillings, side handles, movable controls, and power cord bucket for the easy use. You may be wondering whether it's easier to use this series air coolers and how to use them. Now, let me show you. All the buttons of these air coolers are touch buttons, like mentioned. They're waterproof, durable, and nice looking. The first button on the left is used to start humidification. When it lights up, the water pump begins to work. The second button provides 3 air supply modes, namely the natural model, the sleep model, and the normal models. The third button is used to preset the time for the unit to be on and off. 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and 8-hour timer available. The fourth button is used to activate the on-in functions. The fifth button is used to enable horizontal swings. The sixth button is used to adjust the fan speed from low to high. The last button is a powerful button. The next product I'm going to introduce is a tower type air cooler. We can see from the name that its appearance is related with a tower fan. In fact, this product was just developed in this April. A design concept is combine the conventional tower fan and with the conventional air cooler so as to create a product with a brand new user experience. First of all, let's look at appearance. There are totally 3 models in this series with 2 different panels and 2 colors, black and white. The whole body is made of high standard ABS material to enhance aesthetic appearance while ensuring the strength. At the back, there is a removable 6-liter water tank. It's easy for you to refilling the water and clean. And also in the front, there's a water scale so the end users can see clearly the water level of the water tank. In addition, it's equipped with a long and large cooling pad. It is a core component of the cooling and humidification. At the top, you can see it's equipped with a golden decorative strip, which makes the product very eye-catching. The control panel is completely touch panel. It's waterproof, durable, and beautiful. At the bottom, there's also hidden controls, so it's easy to move the product. One of the cool features is that the air duct has really long section for compressions, which improve the air volume and air supply distance. You can see that. The air will adopt concrete-shaped designs which can speed up the airflow. The airflow volume is 500 cubic meter per hour, and the airflow rate at outlets is increased to 7.5 meter per second. The second feature is that we adopt external gear oscillation mechanism to replace the conventional connecting rod oscillation mechanism. Its oscillation angle is as wide as 120 degrees. You can see that. User may select the angle to be 80 degrees or 120 degrees. The third feature is that it's compact designs. The external oscillation designs cancel the traditional air deflector mechanism. Compared to the air cooler with the same water volume, is 10% smaller in size, and the loading capacity is improved by 5%. There are many useful features, for example, the strong blowers, the detachable honeycomb cooling pad and water tank, water and electricity separation protection, and a cooling pad missing protection. In actual use, the blower may gather dust after a long period of use, and air volume may become smaller and smaller. The loud noise and mild smell will occur. This product adopts the patent detachable blower designs. You can burn out the blower easily, which solve all these problems and improve user experience. Okay, now we put it back. As you can see, it's also very convenient to install all the filters. Now we have learned that how to use the air coolers. I'm pretty sure that there's one more thing you want to know. That is, where can I use the air cooler? Will it satisfy my need in different scenarios? Gree provided air coolers from 6 to 6 liter capacity. There's always one that can satisfy your needs. The 6 liter and 10 liter are suitable for living room, study room, and sitting room. And the 10 liter one can be used in the sitting room, office, or a classroom, while the 40 liter and 60 liter can be used in a store, airport, in a station, exhibition hall, a country yard, a lobby, a showroom, a cafe, a hospital, etc. That's the end of today's live show. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all like our air cooler products. Welcome to our online store to see more products information. See you next time.